will be the first time I try frozen durian. I was recommended this since usually it'll come, once you thaw it out, it'll come ripe automatically. Because it's been quite hit and miss here trying to get fresh durian. A lot of the time it ends up becoming rubbery or just not creamy or what have you. So I was told buy frozen, thaw it out, and it'll be really good. Okay, so what do we got here? 400 grams of Musang King durian. Frozen. Was frozen yesterday, but thawed it out overnight. Gonna have it for breakfast. Let's see what this looks like. This has become an unboxing video. Yeah, they really packaged this. Whoa. Well, it's bright yellow at least. And it does seem to be vacuum sealed. Grab my scissors. All right. Yes, you can tell it's morning because I'm still in my boxers. But anyways, here we go. Whoa. Yeah, it's got quite the smell. Quite pungent. All right. I'll take this. Ooh, it's soft too and everything. Wow. Actually, I think people may be right that it can be just as good as fresh. Let's give it a try. Yeah. Wow. Soft texture, sweet. I mean, I'm surprised. I thought for sure it wouldn't have any taste at all. It still retained its sweetness. And it's very soft and creamy. Not rubbery at all. It's quite dense actually. Like it's not, like even here sometimes when it's soft and creamy it can be kind of watery a little bit, but this is just dense. It's just like every little bite has a whack of flavor to it. And it's frozen. Go figure. Go figure. Let me show you the box. So here we go. Serving suggestions. Step 1. Remove durian. Maybe I should have read this first. Remove durian from frozen section of refrigerator. Okay, that's obvious. Step 2. Place durian box in chilled section of the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, well this was overnight. And step 3. Take out and ready to serve. Once thawed, please consume immediately. Oh, you're damn right I'm going to consume the whole thing immediately. Oh, look, even the cat now is going crazy. What do you want, Maku? Show Maku. What, you want durian? Let's see how he takes the durian. Come here, Maku. Maku. Okay, here we go. Ready? How do you like durian? No? You don't like? No? No? See ya. All for me. It was quite pricey, but I got it at a specialty shop. I think it was like about, what was it, 650,000 dong, which is approximately, what? Which was approximately $30 US. It's quite a bit. Actually, that's crazy, now that I think about it. Yeah. So this was, we bought this at a shop in Durian, a boutique shop called Naman Market, which caters to expats and people that enjoy getting ripped off. And but at least they got high quality products there. And yeah, this is 650,000, 640,000, something like that. So that's approximately, yeah, just under $30, $25. So that's a lot. I mean, come on. But I don't know. I can't think of any other fruit that gives me this much joy and pleasure than durian. So I guess it's subjective, right? Mm. Mm.